Good afternoon. You are watching ISN 7 News, and the breaking news is coming from Jammu and Kashmir. Leopard kills a 4-year-old girl. Small body of the 4-year-old girl was found from the dense forest nursery in Ompara area of Badgam. Leopard had taken the girl from the lawns of her home yesterday. People allege that the incident happened due to negligence of wildlife department, forest department and social forestry department as the leopard were roaming continuously in the area. As you can see, this was the girl, this was the old 4-year girl. Another one breaking news is coming from Jammu and Kashmir with our correspondent Farhad Bhatt. 29 BN CRPS was on the way from Chanopara towards Champ Donwadi, Chadora, Badgaon. But on reaching Kralpora, some of persons pelted stones toward their vehicles, and in return they fired some shots in air. No injured reported.
I think after such a long time, we have reached a situation where peace and tranquility prevails, where people are able and in a position to pursue their dreams and their aspirations. So my message to not only the youth but to everyone would be that it is only if we have peace and tranquility can there be development. And only if there is development will we be able to all prosper together. And therefore we should shun this path of violence. It does not get you anywhere. We just have to see outside how the world has moved on, how India has moved on. And therefore embrace the future. And the world over, the future lies in shunning violence. And if we do that, it will only hasten the process of ushering a new era of development and prosperity in the state. Good question that you have asked. We have been doing these Sadbhavna projects for many years now, in fact more than 2 decades. Every idea which is there, Sadbhavna is one such idea, had its relevance in a point of time. It was bad when the local administration could not reach out to far-flung areas to carry out developmental activities. At that point of time, the Sadbhavna projects which were undertaken by the army and the other security forces too helped a long way to ameliorate the sufferings and the needs of the local population.